Hello and welcome to another video with me. I am Niamh. I am the English coach at Inglese Vincente. My goal is to help you with the real English, how you can pronounce words in English, how you can communicate in English, how you can build your vocabulary. Okay? So welcome, let's get started. Today we are going to look at another difficult word. That word is fridge. This is a difficult word for people to pronounce. Ready? Fridge. The D and the G. Fridge. Fridge, fridge, okay? It's not fridge or fridge, fridge, fridge. And please not fr with the r, okay? In English, we never do the r sound. It's difficult even for me. Fridge. For example, I keep the milk in the fridge. I keep the milk in the fridge. Okay? So that is the pronunciation of this word. Do not do fridge, 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 fridge. Okay, so what I would say to you just to finish, if you would like to really discover the real English, if you are one of those people that really needs a helping hand, a guidance, so you don't waste any more time making those mistakes, well then come and join us at Inglese Vincente. Click that link in the description. You can get access today to our complete step-by-step master pack. The link is in the description. I will see you tomorrow for another video. Bye-bye.